Welcome to I don't know how to pronounce the channel name. As, anyways, welcome to Close Studio. Today was so laggy when it low. Oh, hi button, hi button, hi button. Mini Suburb 11. Really exciting. In the mini suburb, there's also a highway. Making an actual highway. The highway is all the way over there. Oh, turn. Go too late. It's making a turn. Oh, no, it's not. Here's the highway. The highway. Let's extend the highway. Align rotate. So we extended the highway. This is an actual highway. Here, so we made the whole curve. That right? Oh my god, the curve is so long. Oh, and also we should remove the sidewalk. No need for the sidewalks. We don't need sidewalks. This is a highway, not a city, doer. This is the highway, and we extended the highway. Some people call that the highway next to the gas station over there. It's not a highway, it says road to lane right here. No highway. Okay, so we extended the highway. Wait, what if we just remove the fence? That's a good idea. Let's remove the what is it called? Chain link. I don't like the way you cannot turn. You cannot turn a train with curves. I mean, you cannot turn a train on curves with a barrier. Is that a vehicle? First, let's delete the trains first. All triggers. Remove the joint breaker and remove the camera part. Clicking the camera part and it will let me. Let's do bikes. I mean buses. Okay, so buses. Bus. A coach should be good. It's facing the wrong way though. I mean, it's facing the right way, but it's on the wrong side. We need to put it over here. Oh, I forgot to enable drive mode. I forgot drive mode. Okay, we we hide the UI. No joystick anymore. Ooh, I like the bus. I like the coach. It's my favorite. Yeah, we can accelerate as fast as we want now. And we can go as fast as we want now. And we also extended the highway. Highway. Yay, we got to the highway. Highway. Oh, brake, brake, brake. Brake. Reverse. Stop the acceleration. Wait, the, does the does the driving buttons count as a UI? But my bus is tipping like crazy. Bro, maybe it's a long motorcycle. Long two motorcycles. Two long motorcycles. Look, bro, look at the gap over there. Oh, don't fall off. Okay, okay. Okay, it didn't fall off. But let's not fall off the road or 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 it's the end for us. I'm going perfectly straight right now. But let's look at the front. Let's look forward because we don't want to fall off. Also have to brake on sharp turns. Hmm, which way should we go on? Well, what do we have here? We have two paths. Let's go to that path. Let's go on to this path. Crossing. Crossing. Oh. We also have to brake when there's sharp turns. But if you use this bus, it will like might tip. I think maybe that's what happened. Yeah, it tipped. So press the reverse button so it doesn't tip. Be careful when there's sharp turns. Brake. So we're on a city tour on the suburb in the suburb. I mean, oh we got a reverse. I see. I see. Oh, we almost fell. My front it got damaged.
Yeah. But you almost you never had nothing. Đó.
Okay, so we have to go on this curve.
Không ai không ngon
It's not a curve, but it's an intersection. No, it's a side road. It's a side road.
mấy. Tao mấy.
Look at these. It's an intersection.
Wow.
We should go this way. Huh.
Rồi. Có gì kim hồi cho sao?
My front.
Đây đâu tấm luôn. Số gì hết.
Where's my bumper? Think we should go this way.
Dạ.
Oh, it's just a dead end. It's a dead end.
Đi xe bạc luôn. Đó. Ừ.
I couldn't reverse. I couldn't reverse. Where's my other mirror? Oh, there's my other mirror. I think we should go this way. Should have went that way. Should have went. Should have went forward. Brake. I brake just in time. Wow. Oh, I turned perfectly. Oh, this is like a U-turn. I did it perfectly. And this is another side road. You don't They also don't have sidewalks on. In the suburb, they could just walk on the grass just to go to their home. Let's go back onto the highway, but going in super fast. Hope we can accelerate as fast as we want, because I want to go 266 miles per hour. Oh no 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 no! Don't tip! Don't tip! Okay, it didn't. It didn't tip, but there's a sharp turn. Oh no 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 no! And I just tipped onto the road. Bro, it couldn't accelerate that much. Let's look at the suburb. Let's now look at the suburb. Not a sharp turn. Not a sharp turn. Maybe it's a sharp turn, but I say it isn't. Wait, what if we just roam around in the grass? On the grass, not in the grass. They don't have a flip button. Flip buttons don't exist. We need to let parts long on the side. We're almost at 266. Yes, we're at 266. Oh, boy, it went on the railway. My bus. No, my bus. My bus. No. Let's go into the bus. Oh, this is like a bus now. It's a proper bus. What's under? It's nothing. What about in here? The engine. Where's the engine? Maybe this is the engine. Oh, engines don't exist. Oh. Attachments. Push bar. It's on the bus. It's on the bus. What does C mean though? What does Z mean? I mean, what does C mean? Like, what's the movement of Z? Bro, there's the push bar. It's in the bus. And it's still in the bus. Wait, what about two push bars? One, two push bars. Is that a good idea? Bro, that looks like perfect. There we go. Perfectly. That's perfectly now. Bro, now there are two push bars. It's a double push bar. Look at the articulate part. Mhm. Oh, we need to add a light bar. We're so close to articulate. Um, what is it called? I think it's called a bender. Maybe it's called a bender. I don't know. Pattern with this pattern. Maybe that's just the size. This is the big bus. Oh, articulated. It's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait, we're on the sidewalk now. We gotta move. We gotta move. There's a criminal on the loose. There's a wanted criminal. We have entered the highway. We we have seen like we have entered the highway because we did enter the highway. My bus! It's all ruined now. Oh no. My bus. Drive cam. Drive cam. Oh, where are the names? My bus, where's the light bulb? Where's the light bulb? Or they're still under the roof? I mean the broken roof. Where are the light bars? The light bars are missing now. Wait, is that the gas station? Where's the light bar? Where are the light bars? The light bars are missing. It's still in the form, but I have no idea where the light bars are. Oh, there are the light bars. They fell into the void. My bus! No! Wait, so how are the two buses connected? They're a hidden rope or something? No, there's no hidden rope. There's no hidden rope. Or is there a hidden rope here? No, there's no hidden rope anywhere. Hey, at least the push bars are fine. This is like a bus race. You don't need to set the start. Let's save. We missed the old maps. Sometimes nobody could find my video. Well, I'll name it Progress Video. The basic vehicle movement and property triggers. They haven't changed the property triggers tutorial yet. We still haven't added any more tutorials. So that will be it for today. See ya.